Hey everybody, came out to the storage space and sneak preview, and came here with Grunkle Billy. You see him, there he is. And we got the engine in the frame. Let me flip this thing around and I'll show you and what we had to do, and the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hang on. All right, well, typical Harley fashion, it marked its spot. And so you can see that it took some fighting. What we did is we took the motor and we did lay it down on its side. I totally forgot about all the transmission oil, so that's probably what that is. But we did get everything mounted back to the lower mount on the frame. We don't have anything in the top mount yet. There's a bracket that goes there. I have all that. What I did is I put a ratchet strap on here to lift the motor up so that we could get these in. These went in perfectly. These four here, you see them, there's that one and this one. Anyways, so we got that. The last thing we got to do is get the front mounts on. So I'm just gonna leave this all jacked up, but yeah. Oh, and I had to take some studs out here. I'll show you. So depending on what's going on here, I think this mount replaces this mount, so these are going to need to be regular screws. And then I had to take these out here because we don't have that 90-degree angle mount guy up in here anymore. So we'll just need regular bolts there. But other than that, she's back in the frame. And then I just zip tied my calipers and everything kind of up out of the way. I took the handlebars off. We laid this whole bike down on top of the motor on its side and then kind of shimmied it and got it so it were kind of fit, and then we tilted the whole thing back up, and then Billy just beasted it, grabbed it up, picked it up, and kind of shifted it and moved it around until it kind of sat into place.
And because I had oil on my hands this time.
Right, yeah, see, he's got oil on his hands. See, I got oil on my hands. Anyways, so that's it. I had to take off a turn signal. You know, I took off the throttle. Like, we laid this whole thing down on its side. It did work, because I was like, man, how are we going to pick this up, or how are we going to do this? Well, now it's just all filthy and oily, but that's it. All right, so that's it. We spent like 3 hours? 3-4 hours out here. I don't know, we came out about 1 o'clock. I don't know, it's like 4:30, whatever. So I'm tired, I'm hungry. We'll get back on this soon enough. Another nice day. The days are starting to get nice now. I think it was like 78 today, low humidity. So hopefully, you know, it's taken this long to get some decent weather. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Easy.
I am iron.